Hi everyone, this is Matt from Walk in My Garden, where I show you how to garden and cook with the things that I grow. In last week's episode, I showed you guys how to transplant lemongrass cuttings into soil. In this week's episode, we're going to be going outside. So, let's go! I have a planter box. I've been growing some herbs in there. I have some Thai basil, lemongrass, and green onion. Right now, the Thai basil is flowering, and that's actually bad for the quality and taste of the basil leaves. So what we're going to do is we're going to prune those flowers off. So let me show you how to do that. Here's a close-up of my Thai basil plants. Isn't it just so beautiful? Thai basil plants have black flowers, which you can see at the top of some of the stems. While the flowers are popular with pollinators like bees, they take away from the flavor of the leaves, which is what we use in cooking. So what you want to do is you want to prune your basil plants every 1 to 2 weeks. This encourages your plant to grow out bushy while limiting the flowering. Probably the easiest way, or what I call the lazy way, of pruning is to remove the flower heads directly off the stem when you see them, like this. This will prevent the stem from flowering for a while and will make the plant bushy by encouraging offshoot growth. By removing the flowers, it allows the plant to focus its energy on producing flavorful leaves instead of flowers. Actually, the best way to prune is to go further down the stem and to cut at an inner node, which is the area of a stem in between two plant nodes. Plant nodes are where leaves grow. To get a better picture of the plant stem anatomy, here are the nodes, internodes, and secondary offshoot growths. You want to trim at the inner node where there are secondary offshoot leaves in the armpits of the node below your cutting point. After we prune, these offshoot leaves will become new branches. Okay, so I'm going to trim at this inner node. I made sure to check that there were secondary offshoot growths in the node directly below my cutting point. Now I'm going to prune this plant a little bit more. While this looks a little drastic, pruning is important for the health of your plant. Pruning will encourage new growth on your basil plant because the plant's chemical signals will tell its offshoot growth to grow bigger leaves. Doing so will make your plant bushier, healthier, and produce a ton of fragrant basil leaves. After you're done your pruning, make sure to put your basil stems in some cool water. Putting your cut basil stems in cool water will keep them from wilting. They will stay fresher longer this way. So there you have it. That is how you prune Thai basil. If you found value in today's video, hit that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you stay up to date with all the videos that I post. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'd also love to hear from you guys. Let me know down below if you guys have ever pruned basil. And if you guys do, how often do you guys prune? Do you guys prune every 1 to 2 weeks? More often or less often? Let me know down below. In my video next week, I'll give you guys an update on my lemongrass transplants, as well as my basil plants that I just pruned. Thank you for coming along with me on my walk in my garden. This is Matt, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.